Welcome to the sun-drenched kitchens of Morocco. Kefta Tagine, juicy lamb meatballs simmered in spiced tomato sauce, topped with olives and eggs, served bubbling hot straight from the tagine. By the end, you'll feel like you have stepped right into the Moroccan home kitchen. Starting with the Berbers, the indigenous people of North Africa. They used tagine, that iconic clay pot with a cone-shaped lid, to slow cook meat and vegetables over coal fires. It was simple, smart, and full of flavors. Meanwhile, the idea of kefta, hand-shaped minced meat, came from Persia. It traveled west across the Middle East and North Africa along the ancient spice route. And when it reached Morocco, something clicked. Moroccan cooks took the idea and gave it a twist. They seasoned the meat with warm spices like cinnamon, cumin, paprika, and turmeric, flavors that define Moroccan cooking. And instead of grilling it like kebabs, they gently simmered the kefta in a rich tomato sauce inside the tagine, letting everything slowly come together. As Morocco grew into a cultural crossroads, Berber, Arab, Moorish, French, Ottoman, each influence left a mark on the cuisine. The Andalusian refugees brought olives. The Arab spice traders brought saffron and preserved lemons. It all shaped the Moroccan pantry as we know today. Some added poached eggs right on the top, others tossed in green olives for the salty punch. But at its heart, it's always been seasoned meatballs, cooked low and slow, flavorful, comforting, and full of history. And if you're ready to bring this masterpiece to life in your own kitchen, watch part 2. It's coming right up with everything you need to make your own sizzling pot of Moroccan magic. See you there.